Top stock picks for Diwali 2024. Muhurat Trading picks. Markets may be volatile now, but with positive earnings and steady growth, the outlook remains favorable for long-term investors. This Diwali, Parkavi Finance brings you 8 stocks for Muhurat Trading 2024. One, NCC Limited current price. CMP 299 rupees. All-time high 364 rupees. Analysis: NCC has shown significant growth, securing major orders worth 2,327 crore rupees in September 2024. The company's market cap has increased by 76.96% over the last year. Analysts project a modest rise between 1.02% and 3.76% by the end of 2024, positioning NCC well for the growth in infrastructure projects. Two, Tata Motors current price 834 rupees 52 paise, 52-week high low 1,179 rupees 630 rupees. Analysis: Tata Motors has excelled in the electric vehicle (EV) sector, achieving sales of over 50,000 units for its Tata Tiago EV. Analysts anticipate a potential rise between 2.48% and 4.72% by year-end, making it a strong pick due to the company's strategic initiatives and market presence. 3. Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, RVNL. Current price 472 rupees, 52 paise, 52-week high low 647 rupees, 153 rupees. Analysis: RVNL has expanded its footprint with key contracts, including a 187 crore rupees project with East Central Railway. The stock has surged 157.37% from January to October 2024. Analysts expect an additional rise of 3.36% to 6.58% by the end of 2024, driven by its robust order book and strategic projects. Four, Philips Carbon Black Limited, PCBL. Current price 411 rupees, 52 paise, 52-week high low 584 rupees, 194 rupees. Analysis: PCBL has delivered impressive growth with a 212.67% increase over the past year. With annual revenue growth forecasted at 14%, analysts project a rise between 5.23% and 8.16% by the end of 2024. PCBL's strong market position in the carbon black industry makes it a promising investment. Investment. 5. Bank of Maharashtra. Current price rupees 54.952. Week high low rupees 73.5 / rupees 42.4. Analysis: Bank of Maharashtra posted a 44% net profit increase for Q2 fiscal year 2024, with improved asset quality and gross non-performing assets reduced to 4,009 crore 84 lakh rupees. Analysts project a rise of 1.95% to 4.05% by year-end, making it a reliable pick due to its strong financial metrics and strategic initiatives. Six, Bajaj Housing Finance. Current price 136 rupees and 25 paise, 52-week high low 214 rupees, 156 rupees. Analysis: Bajaj Housing Finance reported a 29.93% year-over-year revenue growth with a market cap of 1.09 trillion rupees and a price-to-earnings ratio of 51.78. Analysts forecast a rise between 1.89% and 4.28% by the end of 2024, making it a solid investment with its strong financial performance and market position. 7. Geo Financial Services. Current price 322.3 rupees. 52-week high low, 394.70 rupees. 213.80 rupees. Analysis: Geo Financial Services has seen a 38.35% increase from January to October 2024. With a market cap of 2.01 trillion rupees and a PE ratio of 124.96, analysts expect a rise between 1.89% and 1.89%, 4.28% by year-end. Its market presence and strategic initiatives make it a promising pick. 8. Piramal Pharma Limited, PPL Pharma. Current price, 255.84 rupees. 52-week high low, 259.90 rupees. 87.50 rupees. Analysis: PPL Pharma has demonstrated notable growth, rising 81.13% from January to October 2024, with projected revenue growth of 13.6% and net income growth of 77.7%. Analysts expect an increase of 3.33% to 7.13% by year-end. Its strong market position, wishing you a prosperous Diwali and successful investing.